बात तो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल ऑफ यू कि मेरे पहले वीडियो को 300 प्लस व्यूज़ पहुँचाने के लिए इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी. थैंक यू, कीप सपोर्टिंग. नाउ अभी हम लोग का लॉकडाउन टाइम चल रहा है, कोरोना टाइम चल रहा है. तो कोरोना से रिलेटेड एक छोटी सी बात भी, कोरोना से रिलेटेड हम लोगों को बोला जा रहा है कि ये खाओ वो खाओ, कोई भी जो आयुर्वेदिक चीज़ भी है वो सब हमारे बॉडी को हीट प्रोवाइड करती है ताकि हमारा लाइक इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट हो रही है और बॉडी को हीट मिले, क्योंकि कोरोना का मेन सिम्टम्स है फीवर और बेसिकली ठंड लगना. नाउ द थिंग इज़ मेरे काफ़ी क्लोज फैमिली मेम्बर वो क्या करते थे, सुबह उठ के गार्लिक खाते थे बिकॉज गार्लिक इज़ रियली गुड फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग हीट टू योर बॉडी. नाउ फिर गार्लिक खाने के बाद एक चूरन लाइक द इम्यूनिटी चूरन जो सबके घर में मिल रहा होगा, इम्यूनिटी चूरन भी खाते थे. उसके साथ जिंजर टी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी हॉट इन नेचर, वो भी कंज्यूम करते थे. नाउ द थिंग हैपेंड कि ये सब हॉट चीज़ें कंज्यूम करते करते हिज प्रेशर रेज्ड रियली हाई, और अब उनको क्या करना पड़ रहा है कि अपना प्रेशर कम करने के लिए वापस से कुछ आयुर्वेदिक चीज़ खानी पड़ रही है. इसीलिए एक पैंडेमिक तो चल ही रहा है, आप अपनी बॉडी के लिए दूसरा पैंडेमिक मत क्रिएट कीजिए, क्योंकि अभी डॉक्टर्स का भी मिलना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. बहुत सारे जगह ऐसे जहाँ डॉक्टर्स भी नहीं मिलते हैं. इसीलिए सारी चीज़ें एक साथ ट्राई मत कीजिए. अगर आपको वैरायटी चाहिए तो एटलीस्ट 1 वीक, एक हफ्ते में सिर्फ एक चीज़ ट्राई कीजिए. नेक्स्ट वीक यू कैन फ्लिप ओवर एंड चेंज द इंग्रेडिएंट यू वांट टू कंज्यूम, यू नो, टू प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम कोरोना. बट ये सब करने के बाद भी कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि आपको कोरोना नहीं होगा. And that's it. Now I will start different types of eyeliners from beginner to intermediate to a difficult level. Let's get started. Start off by taking all the excess product from the brush. This is the perfect. Now for the first eyeliner style, start off by drawing a line from the center of your eyelid and gradually draw it to the corner of your eyes. This is the most simple eyeliner style one can ever draw, and it's really easy. Now for the next one, join the inner corner line with the outer eyeliner which you have already drawn, and draw a bit thicker line than the previous one. This is Neha Dee's style of having eyeliners. Now for the third style, draw a line towards your eyebrows and connect it completely with your eyeliner. This is the legendary winged liner, and this technique is the most effective one. Style number 4 is an improvised version of the previous one. In this, you need to connect and color the inner corner of your eyes. Now what happens when you color the inner corner is that you need to make your eyeliner a bit thicker. In that way it would be really beautiful and it would provide dimensions to your eyes. Style number 5 is a very bold wing, and for that you need to draw a complete straight line from the middle of your eye to the pointed wing and connect it and color it completely. Style number 6 is a double wing. Now for this you need to draw a straight line from the middle of your eyes towards your eyebrows, and then draw a second line a bit lower from the middle of your eyes towards your eyebrows, and then color it completely and make sure there is visible difference between both of the lines which you have drawn, and in that way only it can be seen as two different wings. Now to give the double wing liner a more dynamic look, I am going forward and filling the inner corner of my eyes. Now when you fill the inner corner of your eyes, in the lower waterline you need to fill only up to the point where your lashes are not present, not where your lower lashes are present. And if you give it a pointed look like I am doing, it would look more beautiful. Now style number 8 is going to be even bolder when I am going to fill the lower waterline of my eyes, and before filling the lower waterline of my eyes I have already applied kajal on my eyes so that it looks fuller and it looks darker and intense. For filling the lower waterline, you need to look a bit up, or else you won't be able to fill. Style number 9 will start by drawing a simple wing, but the wing would be a bit extended as we are going to draw the lower waterline also with the eyeliner. Now when I will connect the lower waterline with the eyeliner, which is on my upper waterline, I would make sure that I connect it properly so that both the lines will look even at the same place and connected. They should not look disconnected from up and down. Style number 10 is very trending nowadays. It is a very extended version of wing, and it starts only middle way of your eyelids. It would not be connected completely to your inner corner. It would start at the halfway and it would end like that only. Style number 11 is also a double winged eyeliner, but the difference is that there would be a wing from the lower waterline and there would be a wing from the upper waterline, so that there would be two different wings up and down, but they would look really beautiful once the look is finished.